lower side of the river, there are only boats. A boat that no one needs.
I don't have even the rights to become upset in my life. Only one wish for me. I am praying that my life should end in this jail itself. And there is just 1 month left for me.
Uh, uh, okay. Then I am starting off, sir.
Hey, go to that end and take it. I should get parole this month. Whatever it is. This month. There. Yeah. Before I was here, that was for a petty case. But then nobody asked me to lift all these stones and all. Today, all the accused are in the same place doing the same sort of work.
How do you feel now? Huh? Is it feeling cold? Huh? My dear. After the bath, the head should be wiped properly. Okay? Come on. I'll do it for you. Come, dear. You are my dear.
Nice breeze here, huh? My name is Krishna. I am from the nearby village. My case is theft. Yours is connected with murder, right? I will not forget the one who hit me. Hey, look here. Shut your mouth and lie down there. Don't try to act over smart here. I'll get your bones broken into pieces here. Got it? Searching for somebody to hit.
What happened? Don't cry, buddy. Whose letter is this?
When I got out of the court, she and my son were there at the entrance itself. I told them I'll buy you clothes and come, but couldn't. He has prepared this song for singing in the school. I took it but could not give it back.
When we are inside this building, we feel that people living outside does not have a freedom at all. We are having complete freedom.
Take this. Give. Since the minister is coming, we need not see the protocol now. Yeah, they can do whatever they want, whenever they want, as they feel. Yeah, the prisoner number 316 actually got a releasing order. Go tell him.
The name of this river is Gayatri. When we go to the other side of this beautiful river Gayatri, it is my hometown. Such a beautiful village with wonderful greenery, pleasant weather. This is God's own country, beautiful paddy fields. A huge bridge for the people, small convenient roads for the people to travel. A village which does not look into caste, creed and political intentions. Poor people who live a pure life. People who live here are God-fearing and have principles. They do not cheat anybody. Just work hard and have a meaningful life.
They said they'll be coming one of these days. I remember some time back, I think few years back. I think it is for an inauguration of a library. A small poetry. If you look at it, it is about a riverbed. If everyone in a village comes together and listen to this small poetry, they will never forget it.
Brother,
that is true.
please stay there.
If there is anything I have to tell you, I'll let you know. You need not come and wait here every day. Poor little girl. Every day she comes and waits here. It's a government job, right? The mail will take some time to reach here. Actually, this is Ravi's daughter, right? Yes, correct. You have not forgotten it, right? Yeah, how can I? She has actually scared me a lot in the childhood, right? Today, Ravi started yelling early, it seems. I'm sure it is difficult for people who go across the river to ignore his voice.
They are planning for agriculture in that 15 acres only.
Can you take us to Joe's master's house?
Then what? Come, sit. Sir, be careful. Careful. You are the new agricultural officer, right?
Yes. Master,
Eh?
I went to your field. From the tea shop only I got to know you went to buy something.
I waited till evening. After 4 p.m., I thought that you will not be coming today.
I saw your place. It is opposite the tea shop across the river, right?
Yeah. We have to see about the rainfall also, right? Last year, we found it very difficult to water the plants because of water scarcity. This year, I am not sure whether rain will help us. That is the reason.
Anyway, you can come to the office, sign and take the seats. Now, I don't think we need more formalities.
Okay, sir.
Then can we take leave of you?
I am so grateful to you
Thank
for
you,
coming
thank
to
you
this
so much.
place, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
By the time we are going, if he's there, is okay.
I don't know how long we should wait for this. Anyway, we have to go. What
Hello,
else to
sir.
do?
Where are you starting off so early in the morning?
Both of us have very costly health problems. You know about that.
Okay.
We are just going to the hospital
take the
for a
money.
checkup. Huh? Hey, dear. You have grown up so soon. Very beautiful.
May I know where is
Okay.
your wife? Is?
She has gone to her mother's house. Only if she goes there in between, she'll be feeling good. Okay, you people start off.
Yes, we have to go. Come, let's move.
Drinking one glass of tea?
No, thank you.
Sir, there's a post for you. Please sign and receive it.
Just sit there. I'm coming in a minute.
Okay.
Who's now sending me a registered document?
It's from Bangalore.
Oh, it should be from Mr. Alex.
No, it's from the college.
Oh, I think it should be for the fees payment.
Oh. Okay, please sign here. Then shall I leave?
Yeah. Please convey my regards to
Okay, I
Mr.
shall.
Menon. I think I met him last time at the library.
Right. Okay, sir.
Anthony morning itself went, it seems. If I ask why did you put leave, he is not at all saying anything.
What to do? We will get to know only when he comes. We'll have to wait till then. He is very famous for his
We
activities.
might have not sent him to abroad for studies. I don't know what I have to say to the people. Oh,
You
God.
need not have to tell anything. Nobody should know that a schoolmaster's son has become a rogue like this.
When Elsie went to the church, father asked about him, how he was studying. See how he is carrying. Oh my God. Are you not seeing all this?
No use of such prayers. He should have properly listened to us to improve in his life. We just had one son. We should have been little strict with him. Now it is too late, so no use.
Whenever I meet sir, I ask him about you. He is very energetic, talking all the time about you. When Rama said that she saw you standing in the junction and smoking, I couldn't believe it. A master's son cannot be like that.
Davis, you should come one day to Bangalore. You should experience that high-tech industry once at least. It's not like this stupid village, you know. Here always people blame on others, but they don't have time for all this nonsense.
Oh, you've changed a lot. You were the one who was actually saying that you should love your native land a lot. Now you're speaking ill about it.
You want to have a smoke?
I don't want it, man. I still remember the day when I got beating for smoking BD for the first time. I don't want, man.
What is wrong with you? Always sitting here in the same pose? Huh? Please tell me if you have any problem. Dear,
What, sir? Alex is not talking or what?
he is in a different mood. It is not like how we think about our children to live their life. Would you like to have a cup of tea?
Where's your wife?
She is gone for prayers.
I don't need tea now. I got some more work to do.
Actually, I should not have called you to put the coconuts from the tree. But what to do? I don't have any other person to help me.
My job is anyway to climb the coconut tree, right? I am doing it.
What happened? The house is locked.
My God. Why did you give such a type of son to me?
He is coming. Please don't ask him anything.
I don't know what he's got in his mind. He has been suspended for 3 months.
Being your only son, we just gave him lot of petness and independence. Might be that was wrong. Now I am feeling that if no kids also no problem.
Hey, God treats everyone equally. When there is money, there won't be love. And when there is love, there won't be money. A healthy person will always be healthy and will be treated nicely by God. God always has a way for us. Now, how long does it take for Alex to complete his course?
If he was regular in attendance, he would have completed the college by next month.
Anyways, I'm just leaving. I got to go to James's house also. He said he'll give some financial help for the church. Okay then. Take care. God bless you. You started drawing in the morning. Uh-huh. Very good. Show me. Let me see. Who's all this?
This is Daddy.
Uh-huh.
This is Mummy. And
Uh-huh. And Papa's daughter.
The school should not give leave for her. Always she used to play. I don't know what to.
Don't ask her to study on Saturday also. Poor little girl.
Yes. Always you used to support
you
her.
are telling always to study this one and that one and all. I don't know.
Last time you remember how much you scored in mathematics subject?
I scored a good mark only.
Now I know how much you scored in that mathematics. You just compare with Anthony how much he scored in mathematics.
Mom, always you are scolding
Come
me.
on, don't simply scold her. She is good. I am confident. What if her maths mark is a little less? In elocution, she's got A grade, right? My daughter is a very well-known artist. An artist is actually appreciated by her viewers. Is it not, dear?
Mom doesn't know anything, Dad.
Then what?
Always father and kid are same only. Always you people are dancing and singing in the home. I don't know what's going to happen. Then you are saying you are going to join her in the dance class. I don't know how it possible. Sure, I'm telling next time she will get 0 only. Good father and good daughter.
In one village, there is a queen where she is having a servant. When she went to took the water from the pond, there she saw a snake suffering like anything. Then what she did is, she poured all the water down and showed the pot near the snake. And the snake entered into the pot. And she took the pot with the snake and came to the palace. Some other lady asked what is in that pot. For that she gave the answer that it was a normal snake. And it was a got fire accident also. And then they told that it was not fair to bring the snake inside the palace. Everyone shouted at her. Then she took the snake and went into the forest. She don't know how to survive her life, it seems. And at a long distance she heard the sage's sound. They made the pot with the snake to close tightly, and with the teak leaves they just hide the pot. She took the banyan leaves and tied the pot very tightly. And if you beat the pot continuously, the sin which you have done will be vanished. And after that, you will never have any obstacles in your life and you will be very happy throughout the life. So this was the story told by her. So what is the moral of this story? If anyone is in problem, we have to save and help them.
Dad, see there, our school sir is going on,
Hey,
sir.
careful.
Who's this beautiful young girl? Where are you coming from?
We are planning to buy one antlet, sir.
And where is it? Can I see it?
My uncle is doing that one in home, sir. We are going to give the size for me.
Sir, hey, you careful, master. What happened to master? Sir, all right, sir. Sir, get some water. Get some water. Hey, let him get some air. Just fan
In
him.
front of my audience, I
Sir.
had to fall like this.
Sir.
Oh my God.
Sir.
Hello. What
Sir.
happened to you?
Sir.
Get up. Get up.
What happened?
You're okay. No.
Sir.
I cannot. I'm trying.
When I say his capabilities, I am ashamed to say that I am a student. The talent that he has, I don't think I'll possess ever in my life. The last expression that he expressed. Didn't you see any of that? Oh, gods made of stone. You've almost killed my master. I can't bear it. You could have taken my 2 hands instead. I am here of no use to anyone. You don't have any love for anyone, my God. The school you taught was a very old one, right, Master?
Nobody knows. This was started by very poor people.
Oh, I
They
see.
contributed small amount and then we started the school.
Okay.
And now slowly the school has started developing stage by stage.
Uh-huh.
But my strong opinion is these kind of regional medium schools has to be given support. Am I right?
Absolutely.
Whichever school students study, they should have some principle in their life. Parents should take care of that so that wherever children study, they will improve in life. Ah, where are you coming from, Hari?
I just went to the hospital, Master. My daughter just vomited blood yesterday.
Don't worry, dear. You'll be alright soon. Did you go and meet your master?
It's been 2 days that I've gone there. Tomorrow, I think I should just go and visit him.
I said nothing to worry. She'll be perfectly alright soon. God is there to take care of us.
That's right.
Life should not experience always happiness alone.
Okay then, Master.
Okay, take care.
Master, where did you go?
To the agricultural office.
Ah,
They told me that new seeds have come.
ah.
So I just went to see that.
Okay.
Ah,
And Master, your son is studying somewhere outside, right?
yeah, Bangalore. 3rd year. Times have changed a lot. Nowadays, it is very important to study human life. So if it is a different place, you can meet different people, different culture, and learn other things too. Let him have that experience too. He should learn something instead of going around this place alone, right?
Correct. Oh God, my master.
You reached or what?
Huh.
Sit down, man. The entire atmosphere here is tied down. There is a slight relief only when you come. What is the news in the village?
There is no good news to come and inform you. A stage with no lights, in all senses. Even the children are not playing in any of the houses in this village.
Nobody will be going to visit our village deity also, right?
Once in a while comes Vasu. He is also not coming. Not seen for long. That's what I heard.
At least all these places Master used to come. But he is in prison.
Long back in 1985, you should see Kartika teacher performing. Oh my God. Then this Jose used to perform along with her.
Oh.
At that time, no, this fellow, he used to be a small boy like this.
Joe's teacher has not changed at all. He is the same till now. But the people, irrespective of their status, will not change at all in our place, whether it is a businessman or a normal job-going person.
Sundaran's portrayal of king and Vasu's portrayal of general has still not gone away from my mind. Whatever it is, we are going to relive this.
Whatever performance you guys do, hope it is not going to go for a waste. What you said is true.
For the broken spine, I will give my strength. For the hungry stomach, I will give my sweat.
Wait. I'll show you. For the broken spines, I'll give my strength. For the hungry stomachs, I'll give my sweat.
Okay,
do that.
I got it. For the broken spine, I'll give my strength. For the hungry stomachs, I'll give my sweat.
Okay. Now you.
Okay. It is yes for weapon.
For them weapon.
For them weapon.
Ahimsa is Gandhi's weapon.
Ahimsa is Gandhi's weapon.
To
You have to
sacrifice
get
for
that
this
weapon.
land.
For
They are
sacrificing for
sending
the
the
land.
children
They are sending the children
as a suicide squad.
as a suicide squad.
Just once more you do it.
I'll do
Okay,
it. I'll
go.
do it.
We'll be getting nicely from your mother today.
Yes. Grandmother is standing outside of the home. Sure, she is going to scold her.
You're also roaming like your father. Early morning you went out of the house.
Just for fun, we went.
Oh, she started again. Why are you simply shouting? She just went with her father, right? That too for a drama.
Mummy,
You are uselessly roaming all the rounds. You make your daughter at least go to school, no?
Why are you shouting at him, my dear Ramani?
Ah,
Are you please keeping quiet?
your daughter is also just like you, always speaking unwanted things. Oh my god, I don't know what I am going to do with these people. Huh.
It's a very nice story regarding the comrades. I am the hero.
Yes, you are thinking you are a hero. When you both went from her home, our auntie is always scolding your both people. I'm just convincing her to shut. I'm only getting the scoldings from her, you know that?
You don't start like my mother. At least I am an artist, right?
Mummy, only 5 rupees is there. For magic, 15 rupees I want, Mummy.
Don't show it to your dad. Keep it in safe place, okay? At least 15 rupees we are going to save or not. I don't know those things. At least we have to fill this
Who
one.
has taught my daughter all this magic? Whenever I see you, you are into magic.
You are expecting a lot, I don't know.
That might be Mother Deity's desire also. Now that you are not able to sleep, that also could be the deity's temptation, na?
Maybe, oh Lord.
After all, you are your father's son, huh?
Could be the blessings of some previous birth. Even I am getting the opportunity to serve the deity.
You need not worry about anything. This village's deity is now always going to be with theatre artist Shankar only.
Oh my God. I need you. Earlier, I never wanted to do this. Even after my father was insisting, I refused. But now, after all my resistance, this is what is destined for me.
Before September this year, this is definitely going to happen. Everything will happen according to the fate. However, the deity is going to be always with you.
Master, I have come.
What, Mr. Shankar? You have come early morning. Don't you have any practice today?
No. In a neighboring village, I have a show on the 25th. It's to do with Kathakali.
Last year, I had an opportunity to watch your theatre play. I think better than that king's role, that minister's role will be very suitable for you. That's my
Thank
opinion.
you so much. I've done the same role twice. Height is an issue for me.
Yeah. Sit down.
I actually came. Master, my father. You know about my father, right?
I came to know. Just think that he has decided his own path and you forget about that.
But I have not slept since a few days. I think I'm following my father itself. I am not understanding anything, Master.
Hey dear, Almighty will not give us responsibility and send from this native place. Some people have unnecessary thoughts, and that is the reason maybe people follow such unnecessary thoughts.
Dreams are actually scaring me, Master. New responsibilities, new duties. I am not getting proper sleep, Master. It's just for some relief that I came to you.
My dear, actually, I am not supposed to give any opinion, but still, to avoid such unnecessary disbeliefs, please pray wholeheartedly to the Almighty. To be frank, what is the actual belief? Who can explain that properly? Huh?
I don't know anything about that. For everything, our Lord and Deity has planned something.
What happened?
No, nothing.
Past few days he is doing like this only. Where are you going? Tell me please. Oh my god.
I got to go
Where? Where are you going? You don't know?
to my deity.
Listen here, please. Just think of our family.
I cannot be here. I am not getting peace of mind. I am not able to sleep.
Just see your responsibilities is there.
I don't know anything.
Please.
I cannot help myself from going.
Please don't go.
Mom, where dad is going? Please tell me, Mom.
I don't know, ma. Even I too don't know.
Wait. What fish have you brought?
I had brought a whole lot of fishes, even with prawns. But everything is over now.
Yeah, half of the sea is in your box only, right?
One thing, Madhavan. Our Shankar actually left all his drama and has followed his father's profession. Is it right?
Even I heard. But hope it doesn't happen like what happened to his father. Hope everything is good.
What to do? Okay, shall I leave?
Okay.
Mom?
You can give your offerings to the deity. It's okay even if it is rice. Don't make the deity wait for too long. Give it fast. Hello, Ramani ma'am. Where are you going to?
To my village only. There also I have one house, no? What to do? My fate is written like this.
Is Narayanan's fate almost sealed?
What to do? To whom I can say all my sorrows? Whatever is in my fate, it will be done like that.
What to do?
Who can solve my problem?
Grandma?
Oh, my dear. Look, my child, mad is only for the people, not for the god.
You two leaving us? Then where we will go? Who is there for us? I'm thinking we both going to die, sure.
When I am there, you should not cry, my dear.
Shankaran got the deity's call. It's like that only. Narayanan's family is like the deity's family. This land's deity's blessing is actually a very big thing. That is that family's biggest blessing.
What blessing, man? A family is destroyed, huh? That family's tears has not even stopped yet. Now see one more person.
It's God's thing, Madhav. Don't say like that.
What God, man? There is no peace on earth for men. You're talking about God.
Mom? Dad? Daddy?
Hello, you should not do that now. You should not irritate the deity.
No, he is not your father. He is almighty.
Exactly.
Mom? Year after dad won't come with us,
I don't know, ma.
How much I have to pray you? You made me and my kids as an orphans. Why did you do like this? Oh God. What did the sin I did to bear all these problems?
Sir?
Hurry, just sit down. For a village festival, are all the people getting ready or what? There will be so many children depending on me. But what can I do? It looks like I have betrayed them all. Hope the gods will forgive me for that.
Has anybody gone from here to the next village?
I hardly meet people coming here. now that I've become a big waste like vegetable.
No, nobody said like that.
Uh, but it may not be like that for you. But the fact is always a fact, and hope that God calls me faster.
Kanna, come fast. The street drama has started.
Mom, I'll go now and I'll come later.
Ah, nice people. I searched you everywhere. Where were you guys? Oh. Tell me, guys, what happened?
They all went.
Gone. Where?
The drama man told that he will play the show another day.
No, 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 no. You don't worry. He will come once again. Can he live without seeing us? Now, when the harvest time comes, when the tide is high in the river, when you go to school, when you study well and you eat very well, he will come running to us. Then he will call you and Gopal and Ammu also he'll be calling. Again we'll be playing around here. And I'll also be there with you guys. Okay? Hey, hey, hey!
Until the sun rises in the morning, I will give you company, my dear friend.
Who's this? Joseph Master.
Yeah.
Since I didn't see you for so long, I thought you won't be coming.
What to do, my dear friend? Every day some problems are arising. Heavy strike a job.
Now why is this strike for?
Do they require any reason? It can be for silly reasons also.
Sit.
Thank you. Should I help you, my dear friend?
No. I still have strength in me.
Fire rain is pouring, ashes are dropping, but the dreams alone just remain like that. A memorable romance with our sweetheart, an experience to be had every day. Our yesterday's dream may become today's storm. Whatever undergoes this mind and body, one fine day it goes from this earth alone. Until there, I'm here for you, my dear friend. I'm always there for you, my dear best friend.
Headmaster sir,
Yeah, come slowly. What happened here?
I got first prize sir.
Is that so? Smart girl.
After getting the prize, she was wanting to meet you only.
Ah.
She wanted to show you the prize.
My speech was liked by everyone sir.
Then what? People won't like or what? Story is yours, na?
There is no doubt in one thing. You will definitely become a talented person in your life. You should not forget me when you become a big person, will you? Eh?
Take care while you go, my dear.
Okay grandma,
Okay, bye.
Who is that man? Headmaster's son was studied in Bangalore. Then he used to smoke always here only, you know that.
Master is so poor now.
Headmaster sir won't smoke, you know that. Smoking causes cancer. Then headmaster sir wrote a drama, you know that.
Hey, you talk slowly. If he hears now, he will get angry. Come without turning back. Devasena, come fast.
That is, you go. I'm going to temple.
Okay, go and come fast.
No, you also come with me.
Okay, I'll stay here, no problem. You go and come.
You come with me, I'm telling
No,
you.
I won't come.
Today in temple they will provide sweets and snacks.
I don't want all that.
You come with me. Come, we'll
I'm
go.
saying
Come.
you now. I should not come there.
Come, please. Come, no.
Hey, come on, you go and bring sandal for me. Oh my god, he is here, huh?
Hey, you are that Jacob's son, right? What are you doing here? Huh? You didn't hear what I asked. Don't you know that only Hindus are allowed in the temple? Huh? Bring a Christian inside? Huh? Go. You have sweets inside. Have it.
Om Astalachini Namaha.
Anthony? Anthony, are you angry with me? Just tell.
Nothing is like that.
Here, sweet is there. Just eat, no?
I don't want.
Even I did not had food in the afternoon. Please have it, dude.
I told you I don't want, na?
Please have it. Have it, Anthony. Leave it, I say. Leave me, I say.
Hello? What are you doing? Move, man. Come, get up, dear. Did you get scared or what? There's nothing, huh? Don't get scared. Go home. Yeah, take it. Go home. Don't get scared. One wrap I'll give you, na.
Hey dear, tuition got over early or what? Why are you crying? Huh?
I'm running and coming here. While I'm coming that side, someone will be catching me and telling
Who?
something to me.
Who would that be?
I afraid a lot.
Oh, don't worry. It might be that dumb fellow. He might have come behind you to scare you.
What happened? What happened, Devasana? Tell me, were you crying?
Hey, that's nothing. Who will actually scare my daughter? That fellow might have just simply done it for fun.
For that you are afraid. Come and change the dress, dear.
Listen, dear. Don't cry.
Don't cry, my dear. I'll go and say to Vijayalakshmi
Ah.
to give nice beating to Rajamanikam, okay? Oh my god, shame on you. Should not cry like this.
Grandma.
How many great stories I have told you, my dear. Don't cry, my dear. Don't cry. Let him come. I'll just beat him, okay? Okay. You have to concentrate on your class very neatly, okay? Should not divert your mind while you're studying. Just listen to the teacher what she says.
Devasana, take your lunch.
Bye.
Bye.
An elephant has come by that lakeside, it seems. Do you know that news?
Even I also heard about
Shall we
that.
go and see in the
He
afternoon?
is living in next to our village. His name is John. For bathing purpose, they are taken here. You know that. I will inform my dad and tell him to take me there.
Don't forget to do the homework which master has told you, okay? Bye.
That and all I will complete.
Oh my god. How you able to go so soon by leaving me like this? To whom I will say all the stories? Come on, dear. Oh God. Oh God.
Actually, what happened? Actually, it is a master's son. Devi only saw it, man. By then, she was dead only. He was a drug addict, it seems.
I don't know what to do.
Bad times. God knows what is happening.
Come fast. Come.
I dreamt lot of dreams for you.
Devasena?
Oh, my dear. Look what happened to my daughter.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
She left us and went alone.
Without you, how will we live? You have left us and gone.
Why you?
Look, sir, see how she's lying down. Just let me call her and see if she can wake up or not.
Hey, what are you
She's
doing?
sleeping.
Come. Get up. Come
Sir, I
outside.
cannot live without her now.
Come. Sit here. Don't feel bad.
Don't feel bad. This is for you to face.
You have to go through it.
What else can you do? How can I? My daughter has gone. My daughter has gone. How will I live without her?
What can we do now? So sad to see
Actually,
you.
you have all come to see my daughter, right? So everybody sit. Sit. Come inside. Sit. See and go. See her and go. Everybody should see her and go. It's okay. Just leave it. Everything happens. God will take care of you and your family also. Come. Sit down. Oh my uncle. It's okay. How will I live without my daughter? The gods have betrayed me. My dear daughter. Who did this? I don't know. All the gods have betrayed me. Oh, it's okay. I am the one who betrayed my daughter. I could not even take care of her and save her. How can I tolerate this? It's fine, don't feel bad. How can I tolerate? God is there. My life is so barren now. My life is so barren now. Oh, sir, I think now he's sleeping. Hello?
Eh?
He has come to.
You can sit down.
According to the postmortem report, the girl was sexually assaulted. I am searching since yesterday. Don't try to save the culprit. Sir, he is actually a very nice person. If you can please... Hello, dear gentlemen. A small girl is assaulted and killed in this case. Do you have anything to say? How do you expect me to be cool? I am being pressurized from up above. It's a very controversial case.
Sir, 35 long years, I've been a master teaching small children in my life. And ever in my life, whatever mistake they do, I have not touched my student. After a lot of prayers, after waiting for long years when we got a son, we were very playful with him. Sent him for higher studies too. But he has destroyed his life completely. And that we came to know very late. His mother is lying inside. The soul which is praying for him always. Sir, the dead body which was found at that place, it's not my friend's daughter alone. It is both of us too, sir. I don't know where is he gone. I don't even want to know that.
Anyways, I am leaving now. I'll be always here around. I warn you, don't try to save him and don't try to give him shelter. Just remember that.
The goat is crying and asking the lion, Lion, please don't kill me. Then lion said, No, I have to kill you and I have to eat you. The goat is started crying a lot.
Very good, very good, very good. For that, why is my dear crying?
That lion is kill the goat, Dad.
Is my dear artist crying? That's a story, right? The real lion will not do anything to anyone. Don't cry. When will you stop this crying, dear?
Hereafter, what I will do? My daughter is gone. She left me here.
Why did you leave us and go very soon, Devsena? What will be the situation of us? Only daughter you are for us. What can I do, oh God? What can I do? Very sad. She's having only daughter. That too was lost now.
The way he's lying down, it doesn't look like he's going to live more. He's totally paralyzed, it seems. See, our master has come. Oh, okay. Now God knows what is going to happen now. Oh, master, you. She is also getting ready to go with my daughter.
Now you are very happy, no? Why did you come here now? Do you want to kill all of us in the family? You gave birth to a great son, no?
Mother!
As if his son is very great, he just don't know anything and coming asking us. You too have given birth to a son, no? If anything happens to him only, you will be able to know what is our feeling is.
Don't worry. Come, let's just move and start. My dear has left me.
Oh God.
Anthony?
Ah, come, let's go. Get in.
Hello, there's one more person. Brother, just 1 minute. Let me just remove my shoe.
Who is this new person?
You don't know him?
No.
This is our masters.
Oh, the guy you talked about the other day.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, get in.
Grandpa, I also will come.
Come fast. Get in fast.
There is a lot of work in the house.
After all, for 4 or 5 years, nobody has stayed in that house, right?
Uh-huh.
And it has been almost a long time after the bank has mortgaged.
What about the people who were staying there before?
They are not in place now.
Oh,
And again, you have clear water
yes, that's right.
and an awesome river to swim around. People from the city yearn for one thing which is always free here.
What is that?
Pure air.
That's right. That is correct, actually. But I think that auction amount is a little too much. But whatever it is, I like the place.
My dear sir, in any case, it won't be a loss. This is a place where some really good people have lived. They, out of their trouble, have pledged the house. Now the bank is handing it over to you. Actually, it's a property, right? Tomorrow its value is going to be doubled.
That is
doubled.
also true. Person is superb. He's got lots of money too.
Whatever it is master's property and house. An outsider coming and settling there. How can we tolerate that?
A loan of 7.5 lakhs. Interest, no idea. If we calculate 6 years bank interest, it won't be a small amount.
Actually, he took the loan for teaching his son. What about his wife and all?
What I got to hear is that she has actually left her brother's house and gone to her own house.
Wow, the bath in the river was very freshening.
Look here who has come. Here comes a newcomer.
Tell me, when are you planning to shift to your new house?
You started getting new friends, eh?
Anyway, you sit down. We'll do some small talk and then leave. How is our place? Did you like it?
Then what? Super place. A place which has got people like you is really nice.
Actually, our land is regaining its long lost blessings back. Actually, this is the best way I can phrase it. God will take care of everything.
Why are you saying like that?
Oh, which means he didn't say anything to you.
No.
No, actually, I didn't tell him anything. How can we scare a person as soon as he walks in?
Actually, what is the problem? I am not interested in surprises.
Actually, too many tragedies have happened here. One after the other.
It's a land of too many stories, even I felt so.
These are not stories, these are facts. One after the other, the lives that have collapsed.
If it's a tragedy, then don't tell me. I can't bear it.
Just a minute, I got a call.
Hello? Tell
The
me.
last poetry of Masters which I heard is still live in my ears.
Daddy, I want you and mom and grandma want to see. Hereafter I can't able to see anyone.
Oh, my dear. Where are you, dear? Uncle! Get up, uncle! Get up, uncle! Get up!
Why?
Just get up,
What
uncle! My dear has
What
just left
happened?
the school and she's standing there. Take the boat. Get up, let us go, let's go. Let's cross the river and go. You have to take
What are you saying? At this wee hour or what? You go home and lie
the
down.
boat.
You go home and lie down.
How can that be alright, my dear uncle? My dear daughter is waiting there.
You wait. Actually, what nonsense are you talking?
Uncle, my daughter.
You listen to me first. You come here. Come here.
My dear,
You lie down for some
wait,
time.
I'm coming.
You come here. You come here. She'll be there. She's safe only.
My
You come
daughter
here.
is
You come
there.
here. Come.
My daughter
Come.
is there. My
You
daughter,
come
I'm
inside.
coming.
You lie down.
I'm
Take some
coming
rest.
now. Dear, don't go anywhere. Just
You-
wait
I'll
there.
tell you, I'll
Don't
tell
go
you.
if anybody
You come.
calls. Don't,
You come
don't.
first. You lie down. She's
Let me
safe
go.
there only. She's safe there. You come. You come. You take some rest. You're not
My
sleeping in the
daughter.
night and sit down.
Uncle, I have to go and call
Sit
her.
down.
I
Yeah, lie
will
down.
be alone there. Will you come with me? Take the
Go,
boat
lie
and
down.
come. Huh?
Lie down. Lie down.
She'll be alone there.
Lie down. Carefully.
I cannot be without her.
Sleep. Close your eyes and sleep. Close your eyes.
Master sir? Master sir?
What to do? In my soil, the one which I planted, spoil plant. It's a spoil plant. Innocent mind of small birds and other creatures. They should not be destroyed by this spoil plant. I will find a way to remove that spoiled plant from this earth. The one who has sowed the seeds has to remove that seed. Yes, he has to remove that. Yes, he has to remove. Ha ha ha. Dad! My son!
Dad!
My dear son!
Yes, Dad?
My son!
Dad!
My son!
Dad!
My son! My son! My son! There is no place for here for cruel people. Since I am your father, I have decided about your life. You don't have any right to live in this world. Because this society should not have people like you. You don't have any right to live in this world, my dear son. The lovable father took away the son with him, the son whom the father thought that should not live in this society. Maybe God would have thought that this man can live in this world for more. But no, my son should not live. And I've decided about that. This type of person should not live in this world. It's my decision. Because he is my creation.
For all these years, actually, to wait, Lisa had a son. Now who has she got to wait for, oh Lord? Who to tell all this to? It is all because of bad company. It is all actually a result of fate only.
Now, for whom are these two people living? I do not know, Father.
In fact, God has a way for everything. What can normal people like us do?
Come. No awkward feelings in the heart of the child. No awkward feelings in the heart of the child, even if the child reaches greater heights in his life. No awkward feelings in the child.
Master!
When a small plant grows into a bigger tree, who doesn't enjoy to see and feel that? But I don't have the right to see and feel. Then what is the purpose of life in this world? Don't cry, my dear spring weather. You should not cry at all.
In a way, what he did is absolutely correct. Before the villagers killed him, he himself killed his son.
But even if somebody becomes mad, will anybody kill their own son? Oh my God. Can a father do all this?
Move. Take him. Enough. Get up.
Anthony, why did you leave me?
Don't cry. Please, don't cry. Listen my words. Please,
Anthony!
make silence.
The gods have betrayed us. God knows what is going to happen next. You have called a man on sir, right? Will anything happen?
Mr. Joseph has accepted his crime. Now he is willing to be inside forever. Now how can the judge and the advocate interfere?
One tea here.
Actually, he was a very good man. He was so happy when his son was born. What big mistake has he done to undergo all these big tragedies? It is better not to talk about him. He's lying down like a dead body. Don't know if he's respirating or not.
Krishnamurti, you should never steal again. Krishnamurti, what is your son's age now?
11 years.
Ah,
Master, how can you kill a person?
yes, I killed. Are you not ready to listen the killer's advice?
No, Master, you tell me. I really respect all masters. You tell me, Master. Master, have you really killed? I can't believe you. A master who teaches children, that too who got a president's award. How can you kill? No, it might have been done by mistake.
I killed! Yes, myself. And that too. Whom do you know? My only son. My blood, the only son in my life. 6 long years. After long prayers and long waiting. But he is not worth. That is the reason I sent him from here. I killed. With the same hands I killed him.
I'm sorry,
Yes.
Master.
Killed him. Killed him. I killed him. I killed my son.